Hello Toastmasters, I hope you all are doing good tonight. In this video, I share my take on evaluation at Toastmasters. How should we approach evaluation? At Toastmasters, we have heard phrases like evaluate to motivate and the CRC approach. I encourage you all to use these techniques at evaluation contests that happen once a year. For the 30 other times when you visit your Toastmasters club, I request you to focus on providing insightful and actionable feedback to the speaker you are evaluating. Here is an approach, a method that we could follow. Step 1. Read the project and understand the project objectives. Step 2. Read the project and understand the project objectives. Step 3. Read the project once more and understand the project objectives even better. Next, when the speaker is on stage delivering his or her speech, listen to the speech attentively with 100% focus. Observe the words coming out of the mouth of the speaker, the posture and the gait of the speaker. Observe everything that is happening on stage. The feelings that the speech evokes, the content of the speech, the message of the speech, the characters in the speech, the story that is being told through the speech. Observe as many things as you possibly can. And make a note of the points that you would want to base your evaluation on. But mostly, listen attentively. Next step is to write your evaluation and then deliver it. Now, while writing your evaluation, focus on the message that you want to convey to the speaker and not the language, because language is just a tool. Maybe you are not good at stitching together points into a well-structured speech, and that is okay. Primary goal of the evaluator is to reach the speaker first and the audience next. Remember, the speaker would latch on to every word that comes out of your mouth and every insight that you share as an evaluator. And while delivering your evaluation speech, don't burden yourself with the pressure of delivering a glorious, fluent, articulate speech that would leave the audience spellbound. Evaluation speech is for the speaker and the value you add to the life of the speaker with your observation, analyses, and the tips. Now, what points could you write in your evaluation speech? You could talk about how well did the speaker achieve project objectives? How did the speaker demonstrate the skills that were written in the project? What worked for you as an audience? What did not work for you as an audience? Other areas that you want the speaker to retrospect and work upon? You can always comment on the content and whether the speech was well structured. In summary, base your evaluation first around the project objectives, and second around the content and delivery. Now, whatever I have talked about up till now has been pro-evaluatee, if that's even a word. But the one skill that an evaluator should certainly work on is summarizing. Summarizing an evaluation would require some amount of intellect and a way with words. So to all evaluators out there, think about summarizing. Finally, your success as an evaluator is not the Best Evaluator Award or members coming up to you and evaluating and commending your evaluation speech. It is that pat on the back and a thank you, your evaluation helped me comment by the speaker you have evaluated. So all the best in your Toastmasters journey and in life. And let's make this world a better place.